Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person. So you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always, and wishing you a very happy Diwali to you and your family. And today's collections is very exclusive one only for you. So let me display very nice one. Gorgeous looks, elegant also, premium quality, pure handloom organza with fine weaving design border, Banarasi border, and full base part is beautiful weaving butta design, Banarasi weaving butta and checks pattern, very nice one. This one full base part, this one is border portion, contrast color dye border with silver zari weaving Banarasi work border, and this one full base part, beautiful one, orange shade, silver zari checks full base with beautiful weaving butta design, and base is organza. Very exclusive, smart, bright looks, best for your festive wear. This one full base part, silver zari checks, silver zari butta, contrast color dye border with beautiful silver zari Banarasi work. Very exclusive one. And this one pallu end, very beautiful one. Pallu end is fine silver zari weaving design, brocade pattern weaving design pallu, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu in beautiful smart looks, organza base. And I will suggest this silk material golden butta printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart trendy looks. And this one also best for your festive looks, bright maroon with contrast work, contrast color, very nice one, baby weaving Banarasi work border. This one full base part, very smart one. This one is border portion, contrast color dye border with beautiful heavy Banarasi weaving design border, base is organza with fine checks pattern, golden zari checks, highlighted butta and checks work, and this one is beautiful contrast color dye border with beautiful heavy weaving Banarasi border, very nice one, exclusive smart bright looks. And this one pallu part, pallu end golden zari fine stripes pattern pallu. This one is pallu, this one is running blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu end, very exclusive one, contrast color dye pallu with golden zari stripes, very nice one. This one is full base part, black base, red contrast Banarasi border and red contrast dye pallu. And I will suggest this pocket work, pocket butta work contrast blouse piece with this pure silk material with heavy pocket work butta, very nice one, elegant, bright, gorgeous looks. This one also beautiful elegant color combinations and work, also very exclusive one, organza Banarasi, beautiful color combinations, sober soft elegant looks. This one full base part, this one is full base part, this one is beautiful border portions, very nice one, golden with contrast silver zari weaving heavy work Banarasi border, and this one full base part, organza with butta work, very nice one, base is organza with beautiful weaving butta design, and this one is Banarasi border, very nice one, exclusive smart elegant looks, beautiful one, soft comfortable also. And this one pallu end, beautiful contrast color dye pallu with beautiful heavy weaving design. This one is fine weaving work pallu end, this one is contrast color dye with beautiful weaving design, and this one is running blouse piece, very exclusive smart bright looks, elegant also. And I will suggest this silk material butta small weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant smart bright looks, very trendy one. This one also beautiful color combinations, also same material organza with butta design, heavy weaving border work Banarasi border, very exclusive trendy smart looks and very beautiful color combinations also. This one full base part, pure organza with golden zari fine weaving design butta, and this one is contrast color Banarasi work border, contrast color dye with beautiful golden and silver zari combined weaving design, highlighted weaving design border portion, very beautiful exclusive looks. And this one is organza base butta design, and this one is contrast color Banarasi border, beautiful elegant bright color. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color dye pallu, purple shade with beautiful fine weaving design. very smart, elegant, exclusive looks. And this one is running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece, very nice one. And this one is pallu, contrast color dye pallu, and this one is border, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, embroidery work, design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart looks, very bright also. This one also, same material, beautiful work, organza Banarasi, full base part is checks pattern, and beautiful contrast color dye border and weaving design, very nice one. Banarasi weaving border, very soft, lightweight. This one is full base part. This one is contrast color dye border, and full base part is fine checks design, golden zari checks. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color dye pallu with beautiful fine golden zari stripes. And this one is border portions, beautiful worked border. This one is contrast color dye with beautiful weaving Banarasi design border. This one is contrast color dye border. This one is organza base golden zari checks with beautiful Banarasi weaving border, very nice one, elegant, smart, bright looks, best for your festive wear. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree, exclusive one, pure silk material with fine weaving buta design, very nice one. This one also very exclusive one, pure resham silk Banarasi, beautiful one, heavy weaving design, Banarasi weaving design, handloom, pure handloom, premium quality resham silk with beautiful weaving Banarasi border and buta design, fully hand weaving Banarasi work. This one is full border portion, silver zari weaving design, and beautiful bright maroon red shade with silver zari Banarasi weaving border. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, silver zari weaving Banarasi stripes with beautiful weaving buta design, very exclusive smart looks, pure resham silk Banarasi. This one is base part transparent, and this one is border portions, very exclusive. And this one full is part, very elegant, exclusive, bright looks. And this one is silver zari fine weaving border design, very beautiful one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, gorgeous looks, very bright color, best for your festive wear. Very beautiful, bright, gorgeous looks, premium, very traditional, also premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka with beautiful golden zari weaving Banarasi border. This one full base part, very beautiful one. This one is border portion, golden zari fine weaving design Banarasi border, fully hand weaving design. This one is bright maroon red shade with beautiful Banarasi border, and this one is full base part, smart, bright, gorgeous, traditional looks. This one is full base, pure handloom, hand spun matka Banarasi, very soft, comfortable one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu and beautiful smart looks, traditional also, golden zari fine weaving design Banarasi stripes with beautiful weaving buta design, very elegant looks, gorgeous also, bright maroon red shade with heavy weaving design border, very nice one, very soft, comfortable, traditional, smart looks, very elegant also. And I will suggest this silk material bright blue shade buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart, bright looks, outstanding also. This one also same material, same pattern, different color, contrast color border with purple shade, lavender purple. This one is full base part, very exclusive one. This one is full base, beautiful color combinations, pure handloom, hand spun matka with contrast color Banarasi weaving design border. This one is border portion, fully hand weaving work, Banarasi work. This one is base part, very soft, comfortable one, premium quality, and this one is full base part. This one is running blouse piece, contrast color, and this one, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with the heavy golden zari weaving stripes pattern, Banarasi work, and beautiful butta design, very exclusive, elegant, trendy, smart looks, outstanding looks. And I will suggest this silk material brocade work golden base contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright, gorgeous looks, based for your festive wear, party wear. This one also, beautiful color combination, orange and red contrast looks, same material, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka with heavy weaving Banarasi border. This one, full base part, very soft, comfortable one, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka, very soft one. And this one is border portion, behind weaving design, Banarasi work border, fully hand weaving design, and this one is full base part, beautiful smart look. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, bright orange shade. And this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color red with beautiful heavy weaving design, fully hand weaving, golden zari weaving design, stripes, Banarasi stripes. And this one is beautiful butta design, very smart, elegant, trendy looks, gorgeous also. This one, full piece. And I will suggest this silk material butta work, Banarasi weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright looks. It's a very beautiful one, tissue lane, have sign also, based for your party wear, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue lane, have golden sign with beautiful fine embroidery design, very smart, bright looks, trendy also. This one is golden zari border, and this one is full base part, beautiful fine embroidery design, floral embroidery. And this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, golden zari white patch pallu, and this one is border portions, beautiful fine embroidery work, very nice one. This one is full base part, have golden sign, tissue lane. This one is border portions, beautiful fine embroidery work, and small fine butta pattern embroidery floral design. And this one is full base part, have golden sign, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue lane. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, very exclusive, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material brocade work, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart, gorgeous looks. This one also, very beautiful one, fully hand weaving design, very exclusive one, pure handloom, hand spun matka with beautiful base part. This one is 3-layer base, 3-layer color base. This one is beautiful base part, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka with 3 layers pattern. And this one is beautiful fine weaving butta design, and this one is contrast color border, beautiful hand weaving butta, very nice one, fully hand weaving work. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, 3 layers pattern with beautiful weaving butta design, fine golden zari stripes highlighted the pallu part with weaving butta work, very smart one, contrast color border. And this one, full base part, 3-layer pattern with beautiful weaving butta design and premium quality matka base, soft, lightweight, very elegant, traditional, exclusive looks. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, beautiful one, traditional, modern, traditional looks, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart looks. This one also, same pattern, same material, beautiful color combinations also, 3 layers pattern, pure handloom, hand spun matka with silver zari hand weaving butta design, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, 3-layer pattern, color pattern, and this one is contrast color border, pure handloom, hand spun matka with silver zari weaving butta design, highlighted contrast threaded highlighted buta and beautiful work, fully hand weaving. And this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, silver zari fine stripes with beautiful weaving buta design. Pallu very smart, elegant, exclusive looks. This one, full base part, very nice one. This one is full base. This one is border portion, contrast color weaving buta design, 3-layer pattern, pure handloom, hand spun matka. This one is running blouse piece, very exclusive one. And I will use this silk material, heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant, smart, exclusive, bright. This one also, same pattern, beautiful works, beautiful color combinations also, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka, contrast border with beautiful color effect. This one is 3 layers color pattern with silver zari weaving buta design, very exclusive one, premium quality, matka base, contrast color border. And this one, full base part, beautiful silver zari weaving buta design. This one is running blouse piece. And this one, pallu part, pallu is very beautiful one, highlighted silver zari fine stripes with beautiful weaving buta design middle portion, and 3 layers color, very exclusive one, smart, elegant look, soft, lightweight, comfortable also. And I will suggest this silk material with golden zari weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright looks. This one also, beautiful one, beautiful color combination, same pattern, different color, very bright one, based for your festive looks. This one, full base part, 3 layers pattern, pure handloom, hand spun matka, contrast red border. And this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, 3 color layers, golden zari stripes with beautiful weaving buta design, very smart, bright looks, traditional also. This one, full base, beautiful color combinations with fine weaving design. And this one, running blouse piece, very smart, trendy looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, elegant looks, traditional also. And today I have draped a beautiful color saree, premium quality, Georgette Banarasi contrast color dye border with beautiful weaving, Banarasi weaving border design. And this one is full base part, heavy work, full base. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color dye pallu with heavy Banarasi weaving work, very nice one, very soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.